Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are going to go over replacing the door glass on a 2007 RAV4. First and foremost, we're going to take this door panel off, and we got a couple little things here. We're going to use a drill here with a Phillips, and our TRT should get us all the way out of here. We're going to go underneath this, pop that up, and then remove this panel so we can unplug the window switch. Dump the little piece of glass out of there, make sure there's no glass stuck in that, and set that aside. Going to go in right on the back side of this and pop that loose. There's our first screw, and then we're going to go right underneath here in between and pop that loose right there, and then we're going to push and give this a little bit of a twist to release these two, and there's our other two screws right there. Let's pull these out real quick, like so. Come on, might be time for a new bit on there. We'll grab our ever-present screwdriver here to pull that out. Set those aside, and then again we are going to take our TRT, slide it right between the door panel and the bot and the door here, and just give it a pop like so, and that will remove that. And then these guys just slip right out. Pull the, we can just pull the whole thing off apparently. We're still going to take this off just so it's out of our way. And then we'll just snap that guy back in there. Leave the handle there. That, we'll clean that up later. And then we are going to remove our speaker. Unplug it first. Oh, actually, we won't be removing that speaker. That one's riveted in. So we're going to leave that one. And then this is pretty tight. So we're going to take our razor knife here, and we're going to switch to the fresh side of the blade because I was cutting Scotch-Brite earlier. And we're just going to cut this loose here, trying not to cut the plastic. Give that a little stretch as you're cutting it. If you do cut it, it's not a big deal, but we want to do as little damage to the plastic as possible. It's a dust guard. And if you're lucky, it'll do that. And the butyl will just pull away so we don't have to fight it. That guy loose, and we're just going to roll this over here and stick the butyl to the plastic on the inside to hold that in place. You can also put a piece of tape across here. And then because this is a rear door and it's square, we can't just drop this one in. So let's go grab our 10 mil. And our impact. I always called these a rattler. So we'll grab our rattler and our 10 mil. We're going to pull this and this because we have to remove this little mullion here. You can see we got our iron hide cover here doing double duty to protect the seat there. Now lift this up, and you're going to find a little Phillips head right there. Going to pull that one out as well. Be careful because these have a tendency to strip out really easy, that Phillips head. And then we'll pull our rubber out here. We're gonna need to clean that out anyways. And shake most of the glass down into the bottom of the door there. And we'll double check that here in a minute. And then you're gonna pull this away and then down and slide that out of the way there. And that will give you access to drop your new window in, slide the mullion back in, lock it in place, put your screw in up here first, and then lock your two 10 mils in, check everything, make sure it rolls up and down. And that is getting into the door and getting prepped to replace a rear door glass on a 07 RAV4. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.